Good morning, everyone. It's the Health Juggernaut. Today, I want to go over a post-workout meal on ketogenics. Now, I've tried post-workout meals at around 5 or 6 or 700 calories, and I find that it's not enough food. When you just finish working out, yes, you want to get protein into your body right away so your body can use that protein to build muscle. So if you're trying to make muscular gains, yes, it's important to get some protein in you right away after a workout. I'd say with 1 hour. They call that the golden window. And I believe that, and it works good for me. But also, muscles are very hungry. They consume a lot of fuel during the day. So you've got to put extra calories into your body if you are trying to avoid snacks and only eat twice a day. Now, a lot of ketogenic proponents like to eat once a day, which is fine. That's got some difficulties to it, but it does work. It's great for repair and healing. But for me, 2 meals a day is very comfortable. It works great. It's easy to manage. But that first post-workout meal needs to have a lot of calories. So this meal preparation is going to consist of 1,015 calories. Now that is a nice big meal. You're going to be full and satisfied all the way until dinner, which is going to be about 6:30 p.m. or a 7-hour window with no food. So let's get to it. We're going to start with a 4.9 ounce sirloin steak, 2 ounces of cheddar cheese, 83 grams of white button mushrooms, 101 grams of celery, and 52 grams of yellow onion. I'm going to get 2 pans going at one time. I'm going to chop up my mushrooms and my celery, and I'm going to put that in one pan. That's going to go with my steak. And I'm going to chop up the onions and put those in a second pan, and I'm going to mix those with my burger and my eggs. Now, when I'm sauteing these vegetables, I only put in a little bit of water. I never heat my butter or oil of any kind. I just use water until my vegetables get softened up, and then we can add our meats. Alright, so when our vegetables get softened up a little bit, I'm going to add my burger in with my onions, and I'm going to add my steak in with my celery and mushrooms. Now we'll cook those until they just brown up a bit. At that time, we'll go ahead and add 3 eggs to our burgers and onions, and then a tablespoon of butter to each pan. Let those continue to cook for just a couple minutes until the butter melts and the eggs are just firm. Then you take it all out and put it on a plate. Add a little salt, a little pepper, and some shredded cheese, and it's ready to eat. It tastes unbelievable. But let's take a look at our calories. The steak is going to give us about 222 calories. The burger is going to give us about 303 calories. The eggs are going to give us about 260 calories. And the cheese is going to give us about 229 calories. And I didn't include the butter on that. So actual final calories is probably going to be around 1,115. This meal is going to give us about 113 grams of protein. Now that's plenty of protein. Really, that could take care of your entire daily needs of protein if you wanted it to. I'm probably going to have a light dinner with about 600 or 700 calories, a little bit of protein in there. I'm going to go heavy on the fats, and that's going to leave me 300 or 400 calories for a late night snack. I like to have a fat bomb right before bedtime, give or take an hour or two. Probably some coconut milk with some dark chocolate and a side of macadamia nuts. That'll finish the day off and push my overall fat content up to hopefully around 70%. And to answer the question, yes, life is this good on keto. No, it's not snake oil. It's just science and biology. Eat good, live good. Health Juggernaut out.